you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour for you to be eligible for monetization. I know YouTube has reduced it to having 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour before you will be eligible for monetization, but the truth is you still need that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour before you be eligible for monetization, so that you can earn enough from your videos, from your contents. Because if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, YouTube is not going to pay you when ad days are shown on your videos, and YouTube is not going to pay you for how many views your video gets. There are a lot of things you not benefit from YouTube if you don't have that 1,000 and 4,000 watch hour. And getting 4,000 watch hour is very, very difficult, because I've seen a lot of people has reached out to me. They will be like, Amaka, I have thousands of subscribers, but I don't have watch hour. And one thing about watch hour is watch hour reduced. Okay, so that's one thing about it. It reduced. Your watch hour can be reducing every day. Your watch hour can be reducing every week. If you are not getting views on your videos, your watch hour can be reducing every day. Okay, so you need enough watch hour. Like, if you know anything you have to do to get this 4,000 watch hour, you really have to do it. Okay, so guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how to get 4,000 watch hour really fast, so that you'll be able to monetize your YouTube. Because if your YouTube stayed more than a year, like 12 months, and your YouTube did not get monetized, like you did not reach the requirement, your watch hour is going to start afresh. And it's very, very difficult. So I want to share with you guys today how you can get enough watch hour. Okay, so guys, the main thing that we'll be focusing on is going to be on the third 10. So the first thing you need to do if you want to get enough watch hour for your YouTube, so that your channel will be eligible for monetization, the first thing you need to do is to start creating long videos. Stop creating short videos. Start creating videos at least from 10 minutes up. Okay, if you know how you're going to do your video, just try and create it. Let it be at least up to 10 minutes. Okay, so start creating 10 minutes video up. Stop creating 5 4 3 minutes video. So guys, the second thing you need to do is to have a playlist. If you don't have a playlist, please go and create one for your channel. Okay, you need a playlist. This is where So guys, the second thing you need to do is to have a playlist. If you don't have a playlist, try and create a playlist. Okay, create a playlist. Playlist is where you put all your videos. Okay, you can have many playlists. When you want to upload your video, you just select a playlist and put your video there. Okay, so that you can easily ask someone to go and stream your playlist. Because when someone click on one of your playlists, one video in your playlist and watch, when that one is done, like when that one has ended, it will go to the next one. When you finish watching that one, it will also go to the next one, like that till the last video there. Okay, so that's why it's very nice to have a playlist. So try and create a playlist. Someone streaming your playlist will help you to get enough watch hour very fast. And you can also use your other device and stream your playlist. If you don't have a playlist, you are missing out. Try and create a playlist. Okay, so guys, the third thing you need to do, which is the main thing, the main purpose of this video, is to use Restream. Okay, what is Restream? Restream is a website. This is a website that you have to connect your Google, and you connect your account. You can connect different accounts. You can connect your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter. You can connect many accounts. Okay, so you can use the free version. You can also use the paid version. Okay, if you want to use the free version, you will not connect more than 2 accounts. Okay, so guys, all you need to do is when you go to this website, you connect your Google, because you're going to sign in first. You sign in and connect your YouTube account. Okay, you're going to see a studio. So there in Restream, you can decide to do a live stream of already existing video. So you can decide to post already existing video. Guys, I'm going to practicalize it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, let me just explain, so that when I practicalize it, you will understand better. Okay, so you can decide to live stream already existing video in that Restream. Okay, all you need to do is to upload the already existing video. Okay, when you upload it, you just set the time and the date you want to live stream it. Okay, it's not a must that you're going to show your face. It's not a must you're going to show yourself. You can decide to live stream any of that, or maybe live stream your own video. Okay, when the time comes, it will just go live and be playing on its own. People will be watching, and even when no one watch, your watch hour is going to read it. Okay, but people will be watching, because when people watch, that's when you get enough watch hour. So guys, let me practicalize it. Let me show you what I am talking about, because I've been able to get a lot of watch hour. Like, this Restream helped me to monetize my channel. Okay, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So guys, go to your Google and type in www.restream.com. You click on it and wait a little for it to open. Okay, so when it opens, it is going to show you something like this. The first thing you need to do is to sign in with, is either you use your email or you use your Gmail. Okay, so I'm going to use my Gmail. So I'm going to use my Google. Let me use my Gmail. Okay, it says here, sign in to Restream. I'm going to click continue. So guys, the next thing you need to do is to remove this, because it has the paid version and it also have the free version. You'll be making use of the free version first. Okay guys, go for the free version first. So you click here and remove it. So guys, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this place. When you click on this place, it is going to show you a lot of things here. So you go to your channels, okay, so that you connect the accounts that you want to connect. If you want to connect your Facebook, you can connect. If you want to connect your YouTube, you can connect. Assuming you want to connect your YouTube, you click on connect. Okay, so you click on YouTube, so that you connect your YouTube. So here it is going to show you something like this. Then you choose your Google, like the Google. Let me choose this and let me show you something. It's going to ask you if you trust this website, because this website is going to have information about your channel. Okay, you click on continue. That's if you trust the website. Okay, look at it. It says manage your YouTube account. You click yes, like you accept it and click on continue. Okay, so you wait a little for it to connect. You see your channel has been added. This is my channel. So you now go back. So guys, if you want to upload a video from your phone, all you need to do is to click on this new stream. If you click on it, it is going to open. Go to this playlist. Okay, from this playlist, you click on it. You can upload a video from your phone, like direct a video that is in your phone already. Okay, so make sure that the video is not up to 250 MB. Like, it can be up to 250 MB, but let it not be above 250 MB. It should not be above 250 MB if you are using the paid the free version. Okay, but if you are using the paid version, you can use more than that. But if it's the free version, you cannot upload a video that is above 250 MB. It will not work. Okay, so guys, let's wait a little for it to open. So when it opens, it is going to show you something like this. Okay, if you don't like the screen, you can change it. You click on it, you click here and change it. Okay, I'm having network issue. Okay, so guys, let me show you how to upload a video. You click on this add video. If you click on this add video, you're going to see, you click on video, you click on upload. So you go to your file, you go to your videos. You go to your videos and look for video. Okay, let me use this. This one doesn't have up to 250. So guys, you click on add to the playlist. So this is the video you just uploaded. Okay, here is the chat, so you can still reply messages. So here is, if you want to change the background, here is for background. If you don't like the background, if you want to change the background, so you can still change the background. Okay, so you just check everything. After you are done, you click on this, you put the title, you write anything you want here. You just write anything, you put the date, you put the time, you upload your thumbnail, okay, you click next. So you now create the don't forget to turn on, please. When you turn on, this is so that when the video finish, the video will start again. When it finish, it will start again. Like, it will keep on repeating itself. Do you understand? It will keep on repeating itself until you are satisfied. You can then end the live. Okay, but if you don't turn it on, when the video finishes, it is going to end. Okay, if you turn it on, it is going to be on repeat. Okay, so after you are done, you now click on create event. So I don't want to publish this video. Okay, we now click on create event. Guys, that's all. So try it out. It's very good. Try it out. Okay, to help you to increase your watch. Okay, so guys, please make sure you like this video, make sure you share. If you have any question, you are free to leave it in the comment section. Okay, so see you guys, bye.